Good evening. Today is December 19, 2023 Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 19, 2023 Tuesday. Here are the STL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, December 19, 2023. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of December 19, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.